back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video. This is another hair tutorial, a wig tutorial. I'm just going to show you guys how I install this closure unit. I make it look like a scalp honey, okay? I make it like it's a silk press, like I just straightened my hair. This hair is from ishowhair.com. All the hair details will be in the description box below. About this hair, it came a light brown lace. I noticed with their closures, almost look like they have about 1 inch of frontal on the sides, but I cut that off. You guys are going to see that in this video. As far as this video, this is a span of 3 or 4 days because I kept having to leave and do something, or I would have to tend to my newborn and I wasn't able to continue filming that day. So if you see a lot of wardrobe changes, that is why. Don't be lost. I wore this hair last weekend to the wedding. I will insert pictures if you guys want in videos. The hair curled really well, however it did not really hold the curl, but it did form into a wave after the curls did drop. Pretty wave. As you guys see that the hair did straighten really well. The hair is not super thick, but if you like that natural look, then I would definitely say this wig is for you, because this is basically all the hair. This is it. This seems like it's about 2 bundles, honestly. Like I said, if you guys like thick hair when it comes to straight hair, I would say get a wig that's like higher density, or get you this wig and throw bundles in there, however you want to do it. Honestly, don't mind. Like I said, it makes it look more natural to me, okay? So if you guys are new to this channel, my name is London Tay. I do give hugs on this channel, so let me go ahead and give you guys a hug. Sorry if you guys hear crying, my newborn is crying, okay? If you don't already know, we give hugs around this mug, okay? Yes, I hope you guys had a really good new year, and I hope you are still going strong with your New Year's resolutions. I know everybody acting like they don't want to say nothing new because everybody say they're gonna do something new and never do it, but I hope you guys are sticking to it because it's only day 2, and it'll be a shame if y'all already not, if you've already eaten that pie, okay? So yes guys, without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into this video, and you guys gonna see a tutorial, and that would be all. Alright guys, talk to you in my next video. Mwah. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the hair really quick. It's a wig. It is a closure wig. However, the closure wigs almost look like frontal wigs because the whole front part is frontal. But as you can see, it is a 4x4 closure, and it stops right here. Now I think I want to cut the lace off because I do want it to kind of fit as a closure unit. I don't really want to wear it as a frontal unit, so I think I'm going to just go ahead and cut the lace off on the sides and just, yeah, and just do it like that.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little.
Okay guys, so this is the next day after the lace is cut off and the hair is molded back. So I'm going to put a cap back on my head, but this time it's more of like a nude cap with my skin color on the part line. And I'm going to place the wig back on and lay it down with Got To Be glue gel first, 2 layers, and then spray the Got To Be spray on top. And then I'm going to part it and lay it the way I want to lay it and tie it down with a band. Now remember, this wig has 2 combs on the side, so I'm going to use those to secure the sides of the wig. I have my real edges out because I feel like that gives a more seamless appearance. And all you have to worry about is the middle part, which is the lace, which makes closure units way more convenient and easier to manage and handle than a frontal unit. And like I said, I'm using 2 layers, so they got to be glue gel, and like I said, that's just to give you a really melted look. Of course, you don't have to do that. You can just use some mousse on the closure part and it will stick like that if you plan on taking the wig off every day. If every few days that you want to take the wig off, then I would suggest, the Got To Be glue, but you guys already know how the Got To Be glue gel and spray works already. Also, I didn't add that I did put some makeup under the lace so that way it can blend more into my skin. So that's what I did when it comes to the lace, because the lace was lighter than my skin color. So I'm just pressing it in with the comb, and then I'm going to use some Got To Be glue spray, and then use the comb again with some heat. Then I'm going to use that to mold it into my skin. Okay, right here, I'm just going to flat iron my hair. I'm going to use a Giovanni serum, and then I'm going to just use my Baby Bliss Nano flat iron on the highest setting, which is the 450, and I'm going to flat iron the rest of the hair. Like I said, I did use a band to mold the edges down so that way it can blend more in with my skin.